start the second lesson, fuel wood crisis. Fuel wood, it is the wood used as a fuel, and it is the major source of the rural domestic energy. Fuel wood, it is the wood which is used as a fuel, and it is the major source of rural domestic energy. In rural areas, most of the households depend on fuel wood for the source of energy, as the non-biofuels are expensive. Their life is depending on the forest, and that increases the pressure on the forest for fuel wood. Due to the fast depletion of forests, they are unable to get fuel wood, and they depend on the inferior quality of wood, and even they will use crop residue. And these fuels take more time to provide energy, contains harmful gases. So this is the condition of the rural areas where they are having single living space, and this will release harmful smoke, and there are more women or children are exposed to this kind of smoke, and they are using inferior quality of food because of the depletion of forests, and also they are using cow dung cakes. So this is the condition of rural area. And what are the causes of fuel wood crisis? Because with the increase in the population, availability of fuel wood, it will decrease, and lack of awareness and the scarcity of fuel wood. These are the causes for fuel wood crisis. What are the health impacts in the rural areas of for women and children? Burning of fuel wood, it releases carcinogenic substances, and that causes cancer of lungs, and there is a high risk of respiratory infections, and the particulate matter released into the atmosphere, it causes cough and asthma and heart diseases, and the smoke, it causes redness into the eyes, and also in the long run it causes cataract, and inhaling of pollutants mainly causes ill health on a larger scale, and sometimes it may cause us death also. So to bring awareness to reduce the impacts on human health, especially women and children. Only few women in rural areas are aware about the impacts of the smoke that causes respiratory related diseases, and the women should be encouraged to cook outside if they have a single living space to cook, and the men should be educated so that they can encourage women in taking household decisions, and to use new cooking methods. And even the government should supply the chullas, which smokeless chullas or wood stoves, and the buildings of the houses with proper ventilation should be constructed in rural areas. So how the burning of fuel wood causes damage to the environment? The heavy removal of fuel wood causes habitat destruction. The amount of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, and that results in global warming. The smoke contains oxides of sulfur and nitrogen that reacts with the water vapor present in the atmosphere and causes acid rain, and it results in soil erosion, and it disturbs the water cycle, and also it depletes the groundwater. Transpiration is reduced. So what are the alternatives used to fuel wood and timber? So alternatives used for fuel wood: biogas, solar devices, solar cookers, and wood stoves that uses good quality of wood, and the kerosene rationed by the government, and some oil cakes and even cow dung cakes can be used. But cow dung cakes and oil cakes will release some harmful gases. alternatives to timber in construction or buildings. So prefabricated sheets it may be concrete or it may be metallic units can be used, and wooden doors can be replaced with polyvinyl doors or metal doors, and even window panels can be replaced with metal frames. Then alternatives used for timber in the railways. What are the alternatives used for timber in the railways? So the wooden railway sleepers can be replaced with concrete sleepers. Concrete sleepers, and wagon fabrication will be made with metal sheets. Will be made with metal sheets. And for furnitures, we can use the furnitures which is made up of iron, steel or plastics, and even the seating we can fix it, the seating can be made with concrete or marble. And even for alternatives in paper industry, first one, recycling of paper reduces the burden on the trees. So first one, recycling of paper in the alternatives, and you have to use the materials which contains natural cellulose like bagasse and marsh reeds, which can be beaten into make a paper pulp, so that we can make the paper. So by this we come to the end of first part of fuel wood crisis. In the next class we will continue. So these are the impacts of burning of fuel wood. So it causes heart diseases, and it causes respiratory related diseases. So we have to use the fuel wood wisely. Thank you.